List all installed software on PC. Is there anything built into Windows that would allow me to list all of the installed software on a computer in a fashion that can be copy/pasted to a spreadsheet? I know there is software that can do this, but I can't install anything. I'd prefer not to use a batch file if possible, but I imagine that is going to be the only way. Ideally, I would be able to output the same information as is shown on the unexpanded view of the add/remove programs form.
Fire up your console and type. It takes a while, but you'll get the full list of installed programs. MIC is the console version of Windows management instrumentation, available from Windows 2000 and onwards. Following the instructions here and here, you can tell MIC to output in an XML format that might be a bit more convenient for you. However, just calling MIC product get name will get you a list of application names that you can easily copy-paste to a text editor and convert to spreadsheet format. Alternatively, enter. This will output a text file with the list of programs. You can then paste that into a spreadsheet if you want. Source: this URL. Also, you can use the csv.xsl file to format the output into a CSV list of results, or the table.xsl file to create an HTML table of results.
Run MIC product get to get a list of installed software. It should be exactly the same list as add/remove programs. You can supposedly get it to output in a specific format, but I haven't tried it. Use MIC product get ? To see the parameters including the output formatting. I tried to include it here, but the formatting wasn't quite right.
As others have mentioned, you can get this info with only query for Win32_product objects. PowerShell will even dump it to a CSV file for you if you'd like. However, you should search for Win32_product issues. It's not all gumdrops and lollipops.
MIC won't work on a server unless you have explicitly installed management and monitoring tools in the add/remove Windows components menu. Another solution is to go to the registry and look at all the uninstallable programs by going to. You'll have to click each one individually to see the value, so instead, you can right-click on the uninstall folder and select export. Make sure that the export range is set to include only the selected branch. Then you can open up the .reg file in Notepad++, but you're going to get a lot of extra information on each application. You can get rid of all lines that don't start with display name by matching against the following regex. Then you can remove either string display name or by matching on the following regex. Then you can remove any duplicates lines by matching on the following regex. Or you can just sort lines alphabetically and then delete the blank ones.
Vielen Dank, dass ihr por favor, les consigue suscribir.